Hey guys, today I am trying out this new Summer Lovin palette from PH Cosmetics, 16 color shadow palette, and let's go ahead and take a look. I know I'm always apologizing for being tired, but once again I'm very tired. I haven't been sleeping lately, and so forgive my hair and all that. I went ahead and did my brows a little bit. I went ahead and put some liner on, which is something I do sometimes when I'm just going for more of a kind of grungy look. I use this brown liner in the color Espresso, waterproof eyeliner from the Marcel brand. It came in a Birchbox recently, I think. I like it. It's a very soft tip, and so it doesn't scratch my eye when I'm putting it on, but it's also kind of a wide tip, so you're not getting a very much of a precise line. It's more of, it seems definitely made for more of a, like a grungy type look. Alright, so here's the palette, here's the colors in it. They look quite brown, neutral brown, kind of boring for being a summer palette. And I'm not wanting to play around with the brighter colors like those purples and stuff right now, so I'm going to go for more of just kind of a brown, grungy type look. So let's get started. I am going to use this sort of taupe shade right here. Well, first thing I'm noticing is it's more, in the pan it looks almost kind of a neutral taupe shade, but as soon as I put it on my eye, it definitely has more warm tones, which does make sense if it's a summer palette. I associate summer with warm tones. I mean, yeah. Not getting much pick up. So far, this color at least is not giving me any fallout problems. I'm having to use a lot of it to build it up. I'm going to put this shimmery red color on my eyelid from about the middle of my eye. Oh wow. From about the middle out towards the outer corner, I'm going to put a lighter color on it. Now I want to take this, it's kind of a dark maroon color, and I'm going to put it in the outer corner and then bring it up in the crease and kind of blend all those colors together. Since this is a fluffy kind of brush, I'm using it to blend at the same time that I'm putting it on. Just want it to be a diffuse look that fades into that transition shade that I started with. One thing that I'm noticing, that shimmer red that I put on is kind of wanting to disappear the more I try to blend. Alright, I was torn between the white or this kind of shimmer white. I'm just going to go with a matte white for the inner part. And that's not really doing anything. Yeah, that's not doing anything at all. It's just kind of the color of my skin really, so it's not doing anything. So, I'm just going to go ahead and finish smoking the look out, I guess, with this dark red. Alright, I'm going to try to put a little bit of a shimmer right in the center of my eyelid. It's not really working. Yeah, if I keep putting it on it. Alright, I'm trying to get where I have some better light to show you what's going on. Alright, this is the final look that I created. Like I said, I'm really tired and I know it shows on my face. The PH Cosmetics palettes that look like this, like the Midnight City, some of those I've been not impressed with. Now, I think the color payout is good on these, but once you put it on your eyes, you need to leave it alone. If you try to blend it, it just kind of disappears. So you need quite a bit to build the color up, and then you pretty much need to leave it alone. I've set it with some setting spray, and I'm going to see how well it wears through the night while I'm at work. But yeah, this is the final look with this palette. And don't blame the makeup on me looking tired and all, that's just me. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.